Hi everyone, we got a new camera. Now we try from far away. We try from far away from camera here to see to pick this camera.
Legit, yo, we drove like it was almost 4 hours just to pick this camera up. Our camera broke, as you guys know. This thing is huge, honestly. Huge, I tell you. But the quality of it's really good. It came with the lens. It was very expensive. No, he gave it to us for free. He gave the lens to us for free, and he gave an SD card to us for free.
Yep.
This is amazing. My arm is getting so sore holding it. Lucky we got this big sturdy stick. We need to get
that one.
Oh, it's so sore.
Now we are so happy to buy this camera, new camera, the bigger one. It's so huge.
Woo. Evan, what are you doing? Look at your little fuzzy wuzzy.
Hello everyone. Now we back to our new challenge for tomorrow and the weekend, because we have a new camera and the quality is so good. But now I'm telling you the truth, it's so big. It's bigger than the small one we have.
It's bigger than Aussie's big head. It's so hard because the viewfinder is like flipped down on the right, and the lens is like all the way here. Not including. Welcome back. Okay then. Welcome back. Hello, Evan, you stinky bum bum.
Come here. Come.
Hey guys, I just got off from work and I came home to a parcel. And yes, as you guys know, we got a new camera, so the quality be poppin'. But we're gonna open this box together. We've got some exciting news coming, so stay tuned. I wanna show you. To go with our new camera, we got. Don't do that. We got a mic. We got a microphone. It's a Rode mic.
Whoa!
Okay, don't do that, Zaya. Don't do that, Zaya. Don't do that.
Really?
Just leave it. We got a mic, guys, to help with the better quality. Leave it.
Stop.
Leave it.
Stop.
Why did you do that?
Stop. She was on. Stop.
Stop what?
Can you hold it?
No.
I'll hold it.
No. Amazia,
Hold it.
stop being such a pest. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. We're going to put the mic on, test it and see how it sounds. Okay guys, after a long time of realizing the sound was actually working, it's because there's no batteries. Why doesn't this come with batteries? So we got to get batteries before we test it out, but I'm still so excited. Say hi. My dad's watching the video of my grandma.
Kéo phi đồ về cái đầu điều mà kia ra một quả phê phê nhé.
Lots of singers. Love it. Morning guys, it's such a beautiful day today. It's Saturday and we've just come here to the gym. We have to haul this big camera around. It's like a big thing with a big mic on top of it, and yeah, it's just a nice day. And I decided to come to the gym. I just released my 90-day challenge video asking all of you guys to join. I haven't yet started it yet. I'm just thinking, I just felt like going to the gym today just to get some energy. And I got my boo-boo over here.
Yep. Now guys, we're coming here to join the gym.
Oh, my arms are gonna fall off. We just got out the gym, guys, and I'm so tired. I lost about 300 calories today just from training, and I'm so hot and tired. I could go back to bed right now, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna go home and make myself a smoothie.
Yeah, that's good.
So I have just got ready. I'm at my sister's house. We drove here so she could get ready. We're going to the mall.
We're going to the mall, have fun, and enjoy from the week because working every day.
Yep.
Now we're going to have some rest and have some fun and eat some food and play some games.
And with this camera, my arms hurt. It's so massive. At least with our G7X, like, I don't know, you could put it in your pocket. This one is so huge, you will not be able to miss it. Everyone's going to be looking at us, and because we've also got the mic at the top, everyone's going to be thinking we're on like some reality TV show. Well, we kind of are, but like...
We thank you, all of you guys are watching and liking, subscribe our videos. Thank you so much. We appreciate you guys. But hope you guys enjoy another video coming up next, and hope you guys enjoy the challenge. What's it called? What's the challenge called?
90-day challenge. Guys, I'm making a smoothie right now. Yummy! Look, so I've got blueberries, strawberries, blueberry yogurt, banana. I'm gonna put some almond milk in it just to give it a little bit of, you know, watery texture. Let's do it. Why are you even looking at my drink for?
Can I have some?
Nah.
Have some?
Nah.
Hey, what's happening?
No.
Pass it, Molly.
Recording you.
No, give it. I want to record myself, Molly. Guys, I have a confession to make. When I was little, and I used to fight with my older siblings, there was no way I could get back at them. Obviously I wasn't allowed to hit them because they were like triple my size. Like Molly was a big huge elephant and she would squash me. She would squash me like a little ant. I'm just kidding. But anyways, I wasn't allowed to hit them because you're not allowed to hit your elders, blah blah blah. You know what I would do to get back at them? I would go and take their clothes and cut them with scissors and chuck them in the bin, like their favorite clothes. Or sometimes their old clothes because I didn't want them to notice, but I would go rip their clothes up and chuck it in the bin. Guys, that's my confession. Did you hear that? Molly, what do you say about that confession?
Clothes did you rip up?
Some of your favorite clothes, and when you guys go looking in the washing, like, where's my top? Where's my pants? I'm like, I don't know. How funny was that, guys? Comment below. Comment below if you want me to find their missing clothing. Hashtag find my clothes. Well, at least he has Aussie. I miss Aussie. Guys, Aussie just went with my dad to Sydney. I'm a mess. He's gonna be back tomorrow.
Weirdo.
I'm gonna miss him. Molly, is it recording?
Yes. What a fakeo.
Look at the blue dog. Yeah, what's he got?
One day at a time.
Video and I don't.
Time. Don't you see? Every day you are.
I am going to do comment of the day now. Molly, you can't call me Vicky. I don't appreciate it. Can you guys just appreciate my feelings? I don't like that name. Vicky. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do comment of the day. I'm gonna do it on the video that on the last vlog that I did. Thank you so much, guys, for the love and all of you guys that have joined in for the 90-day challenge. Thank you so much. But comment of the day is going to, drum rolls, please. Comment of the day is going to Cynthia Sam. It's hashtag Cynthia Sam. I always see your comments, girl or boy, on our video. So thank you so much for your love and your support. Continue to show your support to us, girl. Yes, it says, Victoria, can you please do a sister tag if you have time? If not, it's okay. Love you guys and God bless.
Go Sam.
It's Cynthia.
Go Cynthia. We love you.
Bye, guys.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like this, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it.